Hey guys, this is Will.
This is Cecilia, and we're from Random Events. Today we are with Eileen from Reminisce, and we are going to make really good Spanish food.
We're going to make arroz con pollo, so it's basically rice and beans with some chicken.
We're going to make some beef empanadas.
And then my favorite is tres leche, and it was even unique because we made a tres leche cupcake too.
We're going to top it up then with some mojito, and then we're going to enjoy this flavorful food meal.
So hopefully we'll see you next time as we, make these creations together.
Join us.
Just like that. Alright, you don't have to bang it, you can just give it a press if you want.
I like to bang it.
You like to get out a little bit of that frustration of the day on your garlic. See, it just pops right out. Okay. And that little end is edible. I always get rid of it. It's just my own preference. And again, you want to give yourself a flat surface. And slice. Just like that. I should have gotten a manicure. I didn't know you'd be taking pictures.
Honey, what's for dinner? Now we're starting the tres leche?
Yes.
On the sugar, yeah.
Off the sugar, off the flour.
I'm excited about rice and beef.
Oh, that's 7, 8. Smells good.
And by the way, this is Dominican vanilla, which is very different.
Do you see how it Do you see how it streaks a little?
Yeah.
Okay. That's how you know your oil is hot enough. And you want hot oil. You don't want it to be cold. Alright, so let's have some of your onions.
Which one?
The white onion.
Why white?
The red onion is better in raw foods, good in salad. I just wanted to give you guys the experience of chopping. But you can certainly add it. This doesn't
Okay, why in the cooking? Is it the white?
And then do a pinch of pepper. You can do a nice big kind of helping of salt.
It's all by taste. Me? I want to dump the meat in, but Will likes it rare, apparently. Into the onions and the peppers, and I'm going to mix everything very all the time. So, but not too much, and medium, because we don't want a hamburger. Not easy mixing.
Slide across the top and sweep it right off. Right, you want to make sure it's full. Right, so you want to make sure it's all full and then slide right. Okay? And that's going to be sifted in. And it also will break up any clumps.
So what are you guys making?
Tres leches. Cupcakes?
Cupcakes, yes. Tres leche cupcakes. And what did you just do?
I shifted flour.
Shifted flour. And what did you do?
I'm supervising.
How's your cutting guys going?
We're sharing our ancestry.
Llorarás y llorarás sin alguien que te consuele.
Guys, this is girl. That's the hard part. You have to Your better, right?
Shake it if you want. You don't have to.
A lot of chicken.
That's good.
Yeah, flip them over. So, did you want to get the onions down? Oh, yeah. I'm like, and you guys want to stop shaking and just kind of flip it over. She asked thoroughly.
The chicken,
Empanadas. Flatten it.
Get an egg wash. And then in the oven.
Flatten it. Then.
Do you plan it so that you made stuff? Chicken pre-bought. So
And the sugar. And the sugar is gonna act like a scrub. You know how like scrubs just kind of exfoliate. And the sugar's gonna be pressed on the mint. It's gonna help get that mint flavor out. And that's what a muddler does. A muddle thing. Right. So you don't really need one. Okay.
The best part of this day is that we do not have to clean up. No cleanup required. And you can see why that would be painful if we had to clean up.